Right, now if we look at Jen's, he's stretching his neck, or he will do shortly, in a very strange direction. What happens is he actually sleeps with his head tilted backwards away from me. So during this fight in the evening, he has a nasty tendency to stretch his neck the other way. Look, there he goes. There he goes. Oh, you are adorable. Blinking his little eyes as he stretches that way. There we are. Stop now. There you go. There you go. Oh. There you go, see? He's doing it on tap now. Oh, stretch it up. See, he bends it the other way when he's sleeping. I saw him do this last night for the first time. I wondered what he was doing. And then I realised. So he goes through this at about almost 11 o'clock. And he thinks, he finds it adorable because he's spent a little time. You see, he spends his time sleeping, but his head is sort of round down the other direction, nearly 180 degrees. Look at the way he closes his eyes in delight. And he'll do things like he'll stretch his wing and his leg and stuff like that as well. Just to zoom out so that you can see how strange it looks in perspective to his body. So now he's just facing us. Whoops, there. There you are, you see. There he goes. Except I keep frightening him. Every time I laugh, you see, he stops. Isn't he beautiful? Beautiful little bird.